Are you still stuck trying to figure out what's your niche? You're not alone. Don't worry about that. In today's video, I'm going to give you the best ChatGPT prompts that will give you the most profitable and best niche that fits your lifestyle. And all that in 60 seconds. Let's go. But first, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 44. I'm still working my 9 to 5 while working on this YouTube channel. And I did try everything, side hustles, um, day trading. What else did I do? Training videos on social media using other platforms, but nothing at all hit it until I did find my niche using AI. Let me tell you more about that. Here is the exact ChatGPT prompt to find your niche fast. So let's go. This is what you're going to type in ChatGPT. Ready? So you're going to type, I'm a beginner. I don't type very fast. Who wants to start a faceless or minimal effort YouTube channel to eventually earn passive income? And here you're gonna you will, so you insert your age. So insert your age and have experience with, and here you insert your job, your life experience, your hobbies or passion. So I'd like a niche that feels aligned with my personality, is profitable. That's very important because you're not doing this for fun, right? I mean, it's enjoyable, but you're trying to make money here. So long term, we know it's not a get rich quick scheme and doesn't require me to be on camera all the time. You can change that if you don't mind being on camera. That's okay. Okay, so here, based on that, give me, and I will give you the prompt down below, so don't worry, like you don't need to pause the video. You can just like take it from the comments. So 3 niche ideas I'd enjoy and can stay consistent with, because that really matters. Number 2, why each niche could be profitable. Number 3, a few video ideas to get started, because you want like maybe 3 to 5 videos to get started so it's easier. How I could use AI to speed up the process, because AI, guys, is not your enemy. So this is the prompts. This is what we have. Okay, but now, so now I want to give you a demo on how this works in real time. So I am 44, so I'm going to put I am 44. I have a background I've experienced with, and I'm going to put what I've experienced with social media, affiliate marketing, sports, and travels. So I'd like a niche that feels aligned with my personality, is profitable, and social media, and doesn't require to be on camera all the time. Um, I'm gonna put personality and doesn't require to be on camera all the time. And I'm gonna put I want to grow my YouTube channel on the side of my 9 to 5 because I still work a job without burnout. And let's see what it gives me. So this is my prompt. Niche ideas aligned with you, digital side hustles and passive income tutorials, travel inspired digital lifestyle, athlete mindset and wellness for busy adults. Why each niche is profitable. Digital side hustles, it's an evergreen topic. Yeah, that's for sure. Affiliate opportunities, easy to monetize. Yes. Travel inspired digital lifestyle, high CPM. That's very true. Travel channels are very, very popular. Athlete mindset and wellness. Wellness is a booming industry, and it will always be. So if you like wellness, go for it. Video ideas to get started. So digital side hustle, travel inspired lifestyle, athlete mindset, and wellness. How can you use AI to speed up everything? Script writing, voiceover, yeah, and it gives you the websites to use. Video creation, thumbnails, SEO and titles, and scheduling. Yeah. So here you go. You have the prompt. I'm going to put it down below, as I said, so you can just copy and paste it. As I said, like I always say, people think AI is their enemy. It is not. You just need to know how to use it to leverage your life. Literally everything in your life can be leveraged. This does not have to be complicated. ChatGPT is not here to replace your creativity at all. It's just here to speed up your clarity. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please comment below your niche, the one you found using this prompt, and we can check out your channel as well. Maybe you'll find someone who's going to be interested in your niche. So share your niche in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.